Alrighty guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a magnetile rocket ship. So here we go. Alright, you're going to take these triangle pieces, put like that, and now you're going to take these, put a ring all the way around like that. Three pieces tall. There you go. Now we put these on each of these sides so that it looks like a crown. That. Now you're going to take this, put it in just like that. And now you have a magnetile rocket ship.